Welcome to Quick Start, a review of basic functions, services, and accessories for new users of Ameritech cellular service and phones. This video will serve as a simple visual reference and review for new users. It should answer many questions and help you understand how your new Ameritech cellular phone and service works. The topics this video will cover include charging and care of your battery, making cellular calls, roaming, optional features, your first monthly bill, and accessories. We also suggest that you use your owner's manual, answer book, and other reference materials provided by Ameritech for more detailed answers to any questions you may have. You can also call a customer service representative on your cellular phone at *611, airtime free, or 1-800-221-0994 on your home phone. If you have chosen Ameritech's Pick Up and Go cellular service, you will pay for calls by using a credit card or a prepaid calling card like this one. Watch for special messages just for Pick Up and Go customers throughout the video. Charging and care of your battery. You must have a power source to turn on your phone, either a battery or a car cigarette lighter adapter. In most cases, your battery must be charged before you can use the phone. To charge your battery, attach the battery to the phone by sliding or pressing it into place. Check to make sure the phone is off. Attach the power cord to the phone and plug it into an outlet. Each type of battery has a different initial charging time. Some have to charge 24 hours before you can use them for the first time. Some take only 5 hours. Recharging varies too. Consult your manual for details. Some phones come with the battery already charged. To check the power level on phones with a dedicated battery strength meter, simply turn on the phone and glance at the display. If your phone does not have a dedicated battery strength meter, see your owner's manual for instructions on how to check the power level. If you have a nickel-cadmium battery, you should let the battery drain completely before charging it again. This will ensure maximum performance from your battery. If you have a high-capacity nickel metal hydride or lithium-ion battery, you can recharge your battery anytime, regardless of the battery's remaining power level. Once in use, temperature, age, and changing conditions can change your battery's voltage. Low battery power is indicated by a tone repeated periodically, and the display message, low bat or battery low. If ignored, the phone will automatically turn itself off as the battery approaches discharge. We also suggest you consult your manual for additional information. Making cellular calls. Ameritech offers a variety of cellular phones to choose from. Regardless of the model you have, all cellular phones operate much the same way. The phone pad may vary slightly from the one here, but the basic function keys remain the same. These keys stand for power, clear, send, and end. Consult your manual for details on the other function keys. Before making a call, check that your battery or car cigarette lighter adapter is in place. Extend your antenna. Press power on. Your phone should be ready to use. However, if the no service indicator light is on or flashing, or the words no service appear on the display, your phone is beyond the range of a cellular area and you can't make calls. With the power on, punch in the phone number with the area code, if it is different. Then press send. Depending on your phone, the in-use indicator light will flash, or the words in use or a phone symbol will appear when a call is in progress. To end a call, press end. To answer a call, press send or open a flip phone. If you dial a single digit wrong, press clear and dial the correct digit. If you want to remove the entire phone number, press clear and hold the button for 2 to 3 seconds. For emergency calls, dial 911, just like you would on your home phone. Then press send. Roaming. Every cellular phone is assigned to a home service area. When you're out of your home area, where your rates are lowest, your roam indicator light will come on. When you have roamed into another Ameritech cellular service area outside your home service area, You get good rates too. When you roam into a non-Ameritech cellular service area, your charges will vary. You can consult your Ameritech cellular coverage map for more detail on your cellular service area. Optional features. Ameritech also offers a variety of optional calling features to enhance your cellular service, like immediate call forwarding. This feature allows you to transfer your calls to another number and transfer them back to your cellular phone. Call waiting. When you're on a call, a beep tone will let you know you have a call waiting. Call waiting lets you use your phone even when you're waiting for an important call. Just press send and you can put your current call on hold while you answer the new call. Press send again to return to your original call. Three-way calling. This feature gives you conference call flexibility with the press of a button. Voicemail. When you're on another call or away from your phone, voicemail can record and save your messages 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, telling you the time and date. To sign up for any of these convenient calling features, call *611 airtime free on your cellular phone or 1-800-221-0994 on your home phone. First monthly bill. Your first monthly bill may have a one-time only activation charge. Also notice, your first bill will have two monthly charges. One is for the month you signed up, the other is for the next month. Billing is prorated for the month you sign up. You'll only be charged from the day you begin service. You will also be charged the full amount for the next month, as well as for any other features you signed up for. You always pay for your monthly service plan 1 month in advance, but you don't pay for airtime beyond your monthly plan until you use it. Each month, your bill will highlight other applicable charges under Other Charges and Credits. These charges will vary depending on the nature of your cellular service. And don't forget, billing doesn't stop until you press the end button, but you won't be billed if you end the call before anyone or any machine answers, or if you get a busy signal. And please remember, if you have chosen Ameritech's pick-up-and-go cellular service, you will not receive a monthly bill. You must use a credit card to place calls outside your home service area where credit card roaming is available. Optional calling features such as call waiting are not available. Accessories for your Ameritech cellular phone. Vehicle power charger. Optional vehicle power chargers require no installation and let you power your telephone from a car battery via the cigarette lighter. This accessory charges the telephone's battery while saving it from use. Attaching the vehicle power charger is simple. Insert the small end of the accessory into the cellular phone. Insert the larger round end into the vehicle's cigarette lighter. To remove the vehicle power charger from your phone, turn off your telephone, then remove the connector from the rear of the phone. With some models, you'll have to squeeze both sides of the connector tabs before removing the connector. For other options, consult your manual. Extra batteries. Nickel metal hydride and lithium ion batteries are high-capacity batteries, which can be recharged at any time, regardless of remaining power level. Leather cases. To help protect your Ameritech cellular phone, we offer sturdy leather cases, which can help protect your phone from dirt, moisture, and scratches. To purchase these or other accessories for your Ameritech cellular phone, visit our website at store.ameritech.com. To purchase by phone or locate the authorized Ameritech store or dealer nearest you, call 1-800-MOBILE-1. We've reached the end of your Ameritech Cellular Quick Start video. We hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have additional questions, you can dial 1-800-221-0994 from your home phone or call *611 airtime free. Thank you for choosing Ameritech.